What is up, guys? Alvaro here. Welcome to the Bilingual Stock Market channel again. In this channel, we talk about the stock market, but we do it in two different languages, English and Spanish. In this video, guys, I want to make a quick stock market update going over the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, which are the most important indices of the United States stock market. And I also want to tell you guys what were the best and worst performing sectors and stocks inside the S&P 500. And at the end of the video, I am going to be breaking down from a technical standpoint the 3 top stocks on my watch list for tomorrow's trading session. So let's get started, guys. First of all, today we had another bloodbath on the Nasdaq 100. It closed down 2.92%, and on the flip side, the Dow Jones Industrial Average had a very solid day, up 0.97%. The Dow Jones actually today got to a new all-time high, guys. Unbelievable. We had the Dow Jones getting to a new all-time high, while in the meantime the Nasdaq 100 was getting decimated, and it is in correction territory, right? And the S&P 500 closed today 0.52% down on the day, right? And what you guys can see on your screens are the 11 sectors that trade inside the S&P 500, and we can see over here that we had 3 clear winners today, guys, all right? We had utilities up 0.84%, materials up 1%, and financials up 0.43% on the day. On the flip side, we have, and I have to move my image over here, and on the flip side, we have technology, obviously, down 3.15% on the day. So this goes to show, guys, what I just told you. We have a rotation, a clear rotation in the market. So money is getting out of tech stocks and it is going and chasing value and traditional stocks, okay? And when it comes to the market movers today, guys, let me pull this up here real quick. Okay, when it comes to the losers inside the S&P 500, we have, first of all, Nvidia. This stock got absolutely decimated and destroyed today, guys, down 7%. Then we have Tesla, down 5.84%, and then we have PayPal down 5.53% on the day. And when it comes to the gainers inside the S&P 500, we have Disney, the Walt Disney Company, up 6.27%. Then we have General Electric up 4.19%, and then we have Altria Group up 3.95% on the day. So we have a clear rotation, guys. Take a look at that. The Walt Disney Company breaking above $200 per share, which is clearly a reopening play. And on the flip side, we have very good companies such as Nvidia, Tesla, and PayPal getting absolutely decimated because of what I already told you, money getting out of tech stocks and chasing value and traditional stocks. And when it comes to the S&P 500 index, guys, on the 5-day, 5-minute chart of the S&P 500, we can see that we had a very ugly close today. The bulls couldn't manage to hold 38.40 into the closing bell, and we closed the day at 38.20. And tomorrow, guys, I can see a very critical level of support, which is going to be 37.90, which was a support on Thursday of last week, and then it acted as a resistance on Friday of last week. So if tomorrow the bulls cannot hold 37.90, watch out for a huge drop, guys, down to 37.23 or 37.30 approximately, okay? And on the flip side, if the bulls happen to pull the S&P 500 up, we have a huge resistance tomorrow at around 38.76, which was a spot in which the bulls failed today 4 times. Take a look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So tomorrow, guys, overhead resistance at around 38.76, and let's hope the bulls to be able to hold tomorrow's 37.90. If they cannot hold 37.90, we are going to see another leg down. Probably, as I said before, down to 37.30 or 37.23. And when it comes to the Nasdaq 100, let me pull up here the 5-day, 5-minute chart. And in the case of the Nasdaq, guys, I said in the video that we posted yesterday that 12,445 points was going to be a critical support on the Nasdaq 100. But the bulls couldn't hold it today, right? So tomorrow it is going to be critical for the bulls to hold the low of last Friday, right, which was 12,208 points approximately, right? And on the flip side, we are going to have a strong resistance tomorrow at around 12,700 points. All right, and take a look at this, guys. If I pull up the 4-hour chart of the Nasdaq 100, as of now, and taking into account today's closing price, we are again in correction territory. Take a look at this, guys. The Nasdaq 100 is 11.46% of its highs. Okay, so we are still in correction territory, and tomorrow, as I said before, you guys have to keep a close attention on the Nasdaq 100 at around 12,208 points. Okay, if that support is broken by the bears, oh boy, this is going to get nasty, guys. And when it comes to the 3 top stocks on my watch list for tomorrow, guys, the first stock, and this is a stock that I already mentioned when I read the losers inside the S&P 500. So the first stock on my watch list for tomorrow is going to be Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. And in the case of Nvidia, it went down today almost 7%. Okay, I actually purchased today 10 shares of Nvidia. Let me show you here real quick. Let me pull up my Robinhood portfolio. So today I purchased 10 shares of Nvidia at an average price of $473.10. Yeah, I am a bit under the water here. I have an unrealized loss of $84. So what's my plan when it comes to Nvidia, guys? Well, I am planning to add more shares of Nvidia if we happen to see $453 per share or $452 per share, okay, which was a former resistance for Nvidia back in August of last year. Guys, we are seeing prices of mid of last year. This is an opportunity, okay? Clearly, this is clearly an opportunity here, okay? And the second stock on my watch list for tomorrow is going to be Facebook, guys. Facebook had a very tough day today. It went down 3.39%, and we have very interesting spots coming up, guys, in which I would be buying shares of Facebook for sure. Take a look at this, guys. First, $250 per share. Facebook closed today at $255.31 per share. Okay, so the first spot that I am going to be keeping a close watch on tomorrow is going to be $250. And if Facebook happens to break $250, what about $244? Okay, which has been a very strong support it was a very strong support in January of this year and during the market correction that we had in September of last year. Okay, Facebook, guys, is as of now 17% of its highs. Okay, so this is a great long-term opportunity, all right, at these prices. And on top of that, guys, Facebook is out of big tech companies one of the companies with the most attractive PE ratio, 26 points, okay? So these current prices of Facebook are extremely attractive, guys. to either take a short-term trade or to start a long-term position in this amazing company, okay? And the third and last stock of this video, and the third stock that is going to be on my watch list for tomorrow, is going to be Apple, guys. Okay, I actually purchased some shares of Apple today, and take a look at these, guys. Apple went down today 4.17%. And as I just told you guys, I opened a position on Apple. Let me show you over here. Okay, I purchased 30 shares at an average price of $118 approximately, right? Yeah, $118.51. Okay, so I am a little bit under the water as of now with an unrealized loss of $71. All right, and Apple closed the day at $116.36. Okay, so the next possible support for Apple is going to be $112, okay, which has been a very strong support, okay, and it was also a very strong resistance for Apple back in August of last year. Okay, so it was a very strong resistance for Apple in August of last year, and then it acted as a support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so if Apple happens to drop, guys, it is very likely to find a good support at around $112 per share. Apple is, as of now, guys, trading 20% of its highs. So Apple is pretty much about to enter into bear market territory, right? And you guys already know Apple, so this is a great long-term investment. And at $112 per share, or even $117, $118 per share, this is a great price to even take a short-term trade. So keep a close watch on Apple tomorrow, guys, okay? And I am going to wrap it up here, guys. As I said before, this video was meant to be a quick stock market update. My idea is posting these videos from Mondays through Thursdays, okay? Right after the market closes. So if you want to get the notifications, our notifications in a timely manner, be sure of being subscribed to the channel. And if you found value in this video, please hit that like button for me. And remember that this is the Bilingual Stock Market channel, the YouTube channel in which we talk about the markets, but we do it in 2 different languages, English and Spanish. But most importantly, the YouTube channel in which we know that the wonderful world of Wall Street, it's not for geniuses, it is for entrepreneurs just like you guys and myself. My name is Alvaro, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.